Look at the front where it says Ames real big. Alright everyone, this is part 2 of rail fanning in Leetsdale. I'm awaiting the Monongahela Heritage unit from Norfolk Southern to be coming by. If you saw the last video, you saw we had the best horn salute I've ever personally received. And that noise you hear in the background is a Gevo sitting probably, I don't know, 150, 200 feet away from me right now, as they stopped here because they have a red signal. And thankfully they're not blocking our view of when the Monongahela comes by. It kind of blocks a little bit, but what I can do is move down there to get a better angle. But we do have the Heritage unit on its way. It's leading a stack train going to Conway and places westbound of that. And I'm hoping to catch it before the rain comes. If you saw the last video, it was beautiful and sunny, and now the skies are getting dark. As you can see, the skies are getting dark. And a friend of mine actually said that it's pouring in Youngstown, so great. So now we're battling the rain. But I don't care. It hasn't stopped me in the past, so it won't stop me today either. So coming up for you next, the Monongahela Heritage Unit. Well, check that out. Didn't expect to see that. That was a cool catch. Hopefully the Monongahela won't be blocked now. And it's going to be. It's coming through right now. Maybe, maybe not. I think we lucked out. That was cool. I didn't expect to catch the war bonnet. Not war bonnet, but the silver or the black bonnet. Oh, I just saw lightning. Hopefully the Monongahela gets here before it storms. And hopefully it's after this. Still have the manifest sitting down here. Oh, I just saw more lightning in the background behind me, not on camera. It's starting to lightning down this way. Oh, good. This thing will clear. Hopefully Monongahela gets here before the weather goes downhill. That was a cool catch. I didn't expect to catch the black bonnet. Caught me off guard. well, it never fails. I come out to Leetsdale. It was beautiful. Almost 0% chance of rain. And now look at that. Look at the big cloud coming through here. It's lightning down there. It's getting ready to storm. The wind is starting to pick up. It's dropping in temperature. I really hope we catch Monongahela before it starts to storm, because it's not going to be very nice when it does. But yeah, it's getting ready to, but we're awaiting Monongahela. That was a cool catch with the 4003. I just hope Monongahela comes through before it rains. I like how I said, oh, I'll get it in good weather. It'll be in better lighting than the last time. No, it won't. Oh yeah, it's pouring up that way now in the distance. So I might be getting back in the car, but we're going to get it either way. Woo-wee! Just in the nick of time. Oh my gosh, it's about to start pouring. And here he comes now. Wow. Hurry up, buddy. Get in the view before I get soaking wet. That rain is coming quickly. As he's still behind the other train, look. Oh yeah. Here we go, Monongahela. Thank goodness. There he is. Thank you. BNSF power too. Oh, cool stuff. And here comes the rain. Wow, it's really windy. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. I think I'm about to get in the car, guys. It's about to pour. At least we got it. Wow. Look at that cloud formation up there too. Super windy. Starting to drizzle. I didn't get any weather alerts saying it was a severe thunderstorm. I got the scanner running, nothing came on. Lightning. As long as it ain't pouring, I'll stay out here as long as I can. You can see how it is down there. Look at that. Look at all the dust kicking up and the showers are starting. How much brighter it is that way. Alright, here we go. I think I'm going to go in now. It's starting to pick up pretty bad. Ooh! Alright, it's time. We'll finish filming this from in the car. Woo! We did it though. Just in the nick of time. Wow, is it getting dark out there too? There's the other train. This intermodal just finished. We got it, thankfully. Well, how about that? I didn't anticipate that happening. It's really pouring out there. I like how it wasn't even supposed to rain. And it still does. That's Leetsdale for you. It was sunny when we got here in the previous video. You saw it. If you watched that, you saw just how beautiful it was. It's amazing how quickly it can change. But that's okay. We got it. Too bad the lighting was poor, but we got it. With pumpkin power, too. That was cool. I guess on that note, I'm going to head out of here. It's really windy and the car's rocking now. But, oh well. It's amazing how quickly the weather changed. It was sunny down that way, and now I can't even see that far down there. Wow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a fun one. I'm glad I caught the Monongahela unit a second time. This time with foreign power, that made it even more special. And I can say I caught it right before, you know, a storm just dumps all this rain on us and wind. But that was fun. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give the video a like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel for more content. And until next time, everybody, take care, stay awesome, stay safe out there. I'm going to be careful. I might sit this out for a little bit before I head home. And have a railfan-licious day on Kayla's behalf. Whew. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.